Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have. Okay, so right here we have all this ribbon. Looks like they just stocked it. So we have this one over here that says Merry Christmas. That one has the truck on it. And this one has snowflakes, and this one has poinsettias. Then we have some gold ones here. Okay. Then over here we have a display of the Christmas cards. These are called Expressions by Hallmark. And like I said, you want to come to the Dollar Tree first before you go somewhere else, because you can get some great deals here. So now here is a display of all of their poinsettias. I'm absolutely loving this one. It's like a champagne color and the gold. And here, look how beautiful these white ones are. Then you have some more baskets along the bottom. So these they must have restocked. Okay. That's pretty neat because we were out of these. And then they even have the poinsettias in that burgundy color. And I'm loving these. Okay. So we have some pine cones over here. Some of them, there's some red, and then some of these are flocked. They're the berries. Oh, and look, they have some picks. They still have picks left. Okay, so that's really nice. And these have apples on them. That's really nice. Very nice. So then we have these Christmas lights over here. And this must be what they have left of their ribbon. And this is a nice ribbon. Look at this. It's mesh. Okay. So over here we have the tubing, and then we have a couple of these wreath hangers. And the tubing comes in the gold. That's what's left. And that's what's left of the ceramic toys, unless we find some down the line. These are chenille stems. Then we have the Christmas pom-poms, just so you could see. Then we have some lights over there and some faux snow. I see one bunch of garland along the bottom and some ornaments, some decorate yourself ornaments, some more snow. And everybody took the red bells and all the other color bells and left the green ones. So these are the tiny ones, and then these are the bigger ones. So here's the felt Christmas tree, gingerbread, and there's the snowman and the angels. These are foam. Okay. And then we have some stickers. Look, they still have some more. Well, these are the glitter stickers, not the wood ones. So these are pretty nice. Okay. Then along the top, we have Christmas cards, more Christmas cards. So now over here in this section, we get into the toys. Let's take a look, guys. So we have some brain teasers. Okay. I don't think I ever played with these. Then we have some jump rope. Then over here we have that Etch-a-Sketch type of a toy. I like that. Look at the size of this Jenga block. I gotta grab some. I've never seen them in this size. This is a great buy for $1. If you use the Jenga blocks, I want you to see this size. So look, they have a whole box full. So this is the time to stock up on these. That is definitely an awesome buy. Okay, so then over here we have activity kits. So that one is Frozen, I think. Yeah, that's Frozen. And here's Tonka. So these are name brand. Then we have some, what is that, Play-Doh? And look at these. This is the Pet House. We have some of that. And here's some squishies. They have that one. They have the fox. Look at that one, the mermaid. The narwhal. How adorable is that? So they have some more of those, and then they have some more of squishies. They have this kind, and then that is Sand Sable, and here's a checker game. Isn't that pretty? I like that. So then here we have some cars. ATV. So they have those in colors. And then this is the light up top. Some more. Oh, look at this, the spiral art. That's really nice. And then here you have the little ponies. And then you have some dolls. You can make such a nice basket for kids. Look at this. And they're nice size. Nice size dolls. You have that one. And you have this one. They're so nice. Now over here, look at this. This is for puppies, a puppy play set. You have that one. And I see this one. Okay, and then you have this one. These are squishies. How cute is that? Then they have the cupcake. And then look at this. The unicorn cake. Oh wow. So okay. That is so cute. So here's some bracelets and here's some dolls. Okay, here's some pretend play. Alright, so this must be what? Pretend dentist. Yeah, pretend this is a dentist kit. That's really cute. That's a doctor kit. And here are the dolls. Here are the bracelets, and here is the spin art. Okay. Okay, the spin art. And then here you have joking around, let her rip sound machine. So they have that. And here's a box of the yo-yos. And then over here they have the hockey. This is the hockey game. And then over there is the darts. This here, I can't say that enough. Look at the size of the box of those tumbling tower lock games. I'm gonna grab a couple before I leave. This is the first Dollar Tree I've seen those, and I think that's a great buy. And then here's the football game. Okay, guys, let's see. So over here, here's the baskets they brought back. All right, so we still have some more of these colored LED tapered lights, and then these. Looks like the only ones that are left are the green and the blue. Well, these are all green. Then we have some of these for the village. And then for the village, we have this one and this one. I'm trying to see. Okay. So we have this one. So we have the general store. I think that's the church. I'm not sure about that one. So I think that's all they have. The green one? No, that's already there. Yeah, I think that's all they have. So that's pretty nice with the lights. Then you have some little money cards. You get a lot of those in there. The little money cards. Let's see. You get 8 cards. That's good for $1. Then you have these little plushies, elves. And then plenty of these little tree skirts for the mini trees. And there, they stocked up on the trees, guys. I gotta grab some. Okay, and then we come over here. And look, we have some more Santa socks. Okay, so we have this one. The elf. The Santa one. And look at that one. Ho, ho, ho. So pretty. And then here we have the little sippy tumbling cups. Then we have this shape of the tin. And look at this one, the gingerbread. I don't know, I love those. And then this one, Sweet Christmas Wishes and Santa. Then those are the boxes. So these are tin, and then these are cardboard. Very nice, guys. I'm like so happy. Here's another display of the Christmas cards. And so yeah, they're pretty stocks. So guys, I hope you're having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.